you guys doing? I hope you guys been blessed, as the shirt says. It's the Boss Star one, back with another one. But today, as you guys can see, my wife just helped me cut up this aloe vera plant, and I'm just gonna be applying that in my hair today. And I looked up benefits of aloe vera plant. It's really good for like skin, and it prevents and lessens hair loss. So if you guys have hair that may be falling out, because you guys, I'm not gonna lie, like some of my hair is really thin in certain areas. So I'll probably be trying to use this product for a while just to see if it really does what it says it does, because like some of my edges and stuff kind of like thin, I mean, it could be because with age too and everything and stuff like that, but I'm gonna be using this product personally myself. Another thing, you guys, I know this doesn't have anything to do with it, but this plant, it really does have a bad smell to it. One thing me and my wife could compare it to, I feel like it smelled like a dirty grass. To her, it smelled like a musty type smell, so just a heads up to you guys if you want to try this product out. It soothes the scalp and conditions hair, so I'll be seeing how that does with my hair as well. Soothes my scalp, especially if you got like an itchy scalp and stuff like that. It should help with that soothing feeling. That's what it's saying it's gonna do. But we're gonna find out today. We're gonna find out. And reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. So if a lot of your hair follicles are all blocked up and everything, stuff like that, I'm just hoping that this product is gonna get all them follicles all, unblocked and everything from them oils, natural oils that, get formed up in the hair. And then it says alleviates itching. I know I said that already, but if your hair is like scalp's really dry all the time and you don't really keep your hair as moisturized as you should, it says it's supposed to, help with the itching and everything like that. I'm gonna be applying this product in a couple of minutes here, so you guys just stay tuned. But before we get into the video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a clip of how we did it all, how we cut up the leaf. Here we go. Alright, you guys, so my hair is really dry right now. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some of this agua, which is also water. You guys didn't know I could speak Spanish, did you? That's what I do though. But I'm gonna apply some of this water in my hair because it's really dry and I don't want to apply the product in my hair when it's super dry like this. It feels like hay right now, honestly. You guys don't need to know that. But here we go. I'm gonna apply some of this water. Well, I gotta spray my head, I guess. But I'm gonna apply some of this water just to get it a little wet. And probably could have washed my hair too. My hair's not really dirty. I just washed it yesterday. So I would prefer you have clean hair when you apply this product. That's just my preference. Because you're gonna have to wash your hair back out anyway. Because you're not gonna want to leave this stuff in your hair. That's another thing. You're not gonna want to leave this in your hair because it stinks. You don't want to be walking around smelling musty headed and everything. Everybody's gonna be like, what's that musty smell going on? And you're gonna be walking around like, man, what you talking about? But that's you smelling musty. You better wash this stuff out. All right. See, that's one thing about my hair, you guys. It's like I can get my hair wet, but my hair always still feels dry. All right, I think that's good enough. So now I'm gonna apply the product. Oh, you guys wish me luck. Oh man. All right, so I don't know if I should just put it in my hand maybe, or should I just, I think I should just squeeze it. My wife, she's saying how she thinks I should just squeeze it on my head, so I'm just gonna squeeze it. All right, so let's see. Ooh, looks like some of that stuff that you put on the little toaster strudels.
Icing?
Icing, looks like icing. Ooh, it stinks. I feel like it took away from the smell a little bit because I added grapeseed oil. Ooh, I don't want that to get in my eye. Doesn't feel too bad actually, you guys. I'm not gonna go too crazy with it. I wanna make sure I get enough to at least cover my hair. Right now, the way that it feels is it's really not as thick as it was before because I added that grapeseed oil. But my hair could definitely use this. Woo, shoot. Shoot. All right. I think that's about it, you guys. That's all I'm gonna probably do. All right.
Let me see. I'll be the judge. Ew. How you do it that fast?
Put a lot in there.
Their crown.
Can't even see the back. Can I get my crown?
No, I'm trying to squeeze it extra hard.
Alright, she got the crown.
No, I didn't. There it is.
Alright, she got the crown. Oh, that's a lot. Alright, you guys, so I hope that looks good. Now I think the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get me a plastic bag. Because what I'm gonna do is I want all this to soak in the moisture and everything. Oh man, I definitely gotta wash myself up, you guys. Man, I'm gonna have to wash this off me. But I'm gonna get me a plastic bag. You might grab me a plastic bag. So I'm gonna get me a plastic bag. Whew, can't talk. But I'm gonna get a plastic bag, right? And I'm gonna put it on my head. And then I'll probably get my do-rag and put it over it as well. Well, I guess I don't need my do-rag. Should I put my do-rag over that plastic bag? What you guys think? No, I'm just gonna get a plastic bag and put it on my head and then just let the moisture soak in and everything. You guys know? And then after that, I'm gonna wash my hair out. And then I will probably show you guys the results. I may have to wait till tomorrow to show you guys the results though. Because it's late. I got church in the morning. But put the plastic bag on my head. Put my plastic bag on. Not very good at tying this thing. Alright, so I thought I was gonna tie the plastic bag. I look pretty good, don't I, y'all, with that plastic bag? Alright, but I thought I was gonna tie the plastic bag, but my wife tied it for me. So I think it looks pretty good. As you guys can see, got the ropes, waves. But I'm gonna let this sit on here probably about maybe 30 minutes. And then maybe I'll show you guys what it looks like after that, after it soaks it all in. Alright, you guys, so this has been sitting in my hair for about 20 minutes? Probably about 20 minutes, or a little over 20 minutes. 20 minutes for sure though. But this is where the truth is gonna be revealed to see how it looks. Hopefully I got that shine on there and hopefully it's just real moisturized. And after this, after I take this off, I will probably wash this out. And I'm gonna probably wash it out with the do-rag on. But I'm gonna wash it one time, then I'm gonna put more shampoo in there, wash it out with the do-rag on. Then I'm gonna show you guys the way that it looks tomorrow, because I'm gonna wait till my hair dries till overnight and everything. So here we go. I feel like it looks pretty moisturized from what I can see. Doesn't look too bad. It does not look too bad. Not too shabby, not too shabby. It don't look too bad, you guys, actually. Curls popping and whatnot. Like the girls say, you know, my curls popping. you know. But you guys tell me what you think. I can't see the back, so I don't know what it looks like. You guys have to tell me in the comments. I don't know what it looks like back there, you know. Can you see the crown? I don't know if you can see the crown because I can't see. Can you see the crown? You can? Yeah. But what I'm gonna do, I gotta get this stuff washed out of my hair because, like I said, it doesn't smell good. So I'm gonna get this washed out of my hair. And you guys, this is probably gonna be it for the video. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. Like I said, I'm gonna wash my hair out with some shampoo. I'm gonna put some conditioner in there too, you know what I mean? And then I'm gonna put some more shampoo in there, wash it out, conditioner, boot, you know, but then I'm gonna have the do-rag on when I do that last wash out on my hair so my hair can stay down. But I will show you guys what it looks like tomorrow, the final results. But I love you guys. And the way that my hair feels right now, I would prefer this product to you guys. Go ahead and get you an aloe leaf, you guys, and you tell me what you think. And once you find out how it works for your hair, I want you to come back to my video and I want you to comment down below. And also, you guys, I always forget to tell you guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys. And just, if you like my videos, just come back. You're always welcome. Let's see. So here we go. Now you see it, now you don't. Now you see it, now you don't. Ooh. I need to brush it down. I need to brush it down. That's for sure. Let me look in this mirror, get myself together. I got a lot of dandruff, you guys. I don't think I did the best job of getting the conditioner out of my hair last night when I washed it. So I think that's why it looks like I have a lot of white flakes in my hair. But give me just a sec. Give me just a sec, guys. Bruh. Alright, that's the best it's gonna get for now. Alright, so you guys be the judge. I really don't know how to feel about it. Because I don't know if it's the aloe leaf that left all this stuff in my hair, or I don't know if it's the conditioner. I really don't know. But I've never really had this problem before when I did a washing style. But just tell me what you guys think. I'll let you guys be the judge of this. Because I really don't know how to feel. But I'll just show you guys. Tell me, do you think it has some good shine to it or anything? Just, you know, let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I'm gonna let you guys be the judge. Comment down below. Do you feel like my hair has a good shine? Does it look any differently than what it did before I put the aloe leaf in there? You know, you can let me know. Like I said, you guys let me know what you think. I love you guys. I'm getting ready for church, so I'm just, like I said, I was trying to get this little last part recorded. But I love you guys. Also, like I said, once again, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on notifications. And like I said, you're always welcome back to my channel. God bless everybody. I love you guys, and I'm out of here.